Hi everyone, in 2025, have you ever wondered where to find a speaker that combines robust sound with durability? I'm all about music and adventure, so finding a speaker that combines robust sound with durability is key for me. The Bose SoundLink Max nails it. This Bose speaker, with its exceptional acoustics and rugged design, it's the perfect adventure companion. Out camping or hosting a rooftop gathering, experience every beat and nuance with this amazing speaker designed for those who demand deep bass and rich sound wherever they go. This Bluetooth speaker boasts an impressive 20 hours of playtime on a single charge, making it the perfect companion for any all-day event. Built tough, it's IP67 rated, ensuring waterproof and dustproof protection. You can adjust sound settings effortlessly via the Bose app. This speaker's versatility and resilience truly cater to my lifestyle needs. Check this speaker costumer's reviews on Amazon store in the link below and choose the best for you. Good luck and thanks for watching.